Before we get into this video, I need to tell you something about Tomorrowland. Now, Tomorrowland is beautiful. It's like loads of Instagrammable stuff. It's trendy. It's all this kind of thing. But what Tomorrowland is really about is originally the music. It's all about the music. Now, in this video, as you go through it, watch the whole thing, like it's great. But there is a moment in this video where Lost Frequencies are playing his closing set. And that clip is about 4 or 5 minutes. It is the epitome. It is the perfect explanation to give Tomorrowland for having a moment. So watch it. You'll see it. People are clapping. People are screaming because they know they're having that moment at Tomorrowland. And that is exactly what Tomorrowland is all about. So do not miss it in this video and keep watching. I'll put a little clip in before to say, here it is. But that is exactly what Tomorrowland is about. Enjoy.
Welcome to day 2.
Yeah, man. No. You're my wonderwall. Alright. Hands up in the air. Come on. I'll tell you something. Be the leg as a kind of coming back to you. By now, you should have somehow realized what you got to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I feel about you now.
Here is the journey of Tomorrowland since the beginning. 2007, 2008. It's crazy. I met some people at the first one, they were telling me that they pitched their tents on the main stage. That's how small it was. And just watch the progression as you go through. ...2014. Thank you, gentlemen. Very similar to this one actually, in a way. That one's wicked. I would love to have been here for that one. Story of Planaxis, which is a new stage that opened up this year on the other side of the festival. Book of Wisdom. Then there's Around the World with COVID, same again. And then the other two that I've been to, which is this one, which is absolutely incredible. And then lastly, we've got last year's one, which was Ascendo. Again, they're all incredible. So good.
So much, you guys were absolutely beautiful tonight. Enjoy Tomorrowland, see you next time. Thank you.